Let's see how to download and install Google Drive on your MacBook. It's actually very easy. First turn on the Wi-Fi and then open the browser you usually use. I just open Safari. You can literally use any app. Click the search and just type Google Drive. Download. Search and open the first link. So here you can see this is the official page. So now just click download drive for desktop. Here you can see you can access, it's not only about Windows, it's for Windows PC and Mac. Click allow, that's it. Here you can see download, click that. So it shows the estimated download time. It's 2 minutes, just wait, 140 megabytes. Now it's downloaded, you just double click over that and click this and continue, install again and enter your Mac password, install software. So it's done. Get started, sign in to any of your account and sign in. So it's done. Okay, now click the apps. Yeah, here you can see Google Drive, just open that. That's it. If you shows anything, you just click allow, that's it, we're done. Open driver. So here is the driver. You can change the account if you wish, and this will act as a separate driver on your Finder. So here you can see Google Drive, just click, that's it. If you double click that, it will opens up your saved folder on Google Drive. So this is how you need to do, and if you know more videos about Google Drive, you need to watch this playlist.